Welcome, in front of me is a XIAOMI Black Shark 3 and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on the device. So to get started, let's open up the content that we wish to capture, which for me as an example, I'm going to use settings. And from here all you need to do is hold power key and volume down. You get this animation, and because I opened up a scrollable content like settings, I can tap on scroll right here. Now if you do this the first time, this will actually stay, I'm not sure how long, but definitely longer than it normally does. So from here you can dismiss it, and this basically just capture the screenshot and it will be in a gallery, or you can tap on scroll and this will allow you to scroll, as you can see. So you can choose how far you want to scroll, and once you're satisfied with how far it went, tap on done, and there we go. You can see that now it's captured as scrollable, and here you just tap on save, and there we go. And now both of those images can be found in our gallery app, which is right here, I believe. There we go. Let's go to albums and screenshots, and oh, there is one. The other one got overwritten by, well, the scrollable one, so I could do it right here, and there we go. There should be now two of them, as you can see. So there is one, and then there's the scrollable one, as you can see. So that is how you would capture screenshot on this device, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.